Ever wondered where your GrabPay money goes when you need it in your hands? We use Grab for everything these days, from ordering food to booking rides, and it's super convenient to have some digital cash floating around. But what happens when you need to actually withdraw that money? That's the question we're tackling today. How much does GrabPay charge for withdrawals? GrabPay has become a staple in many of our lives. It simplifies transactions, often offering rewards and cashback, making it a very attractive option. You top it up, use it for various services, and it just works. But the ease of digital transactions can sometimes obscure the details of how the system works, especially when it comes to moving your money back into your physical wallet. So, let's break down the withdrawal fees associated with GrabPay. Now, before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand that GrabPay's fee structure can vary depending on a few factors. These can include your region, the specific withdrawal method you choose, and sometimes even promotional periods. So, the information I'm providing is general, and it's always best to double-check the specifics within your GrabPay app. Think of this as a helpful overview, not necessarily the absolute last word. Generally speaking, GrabPay withdrawals often involve a small fee. This fee is usually a fixed amount rather than a percentage of your withdrawal. This means whether you're withdrawing a small sum or a larger amount, the fee itself remains relatively constant. This is important to keep in mind, as it can impact how often you choose to withdraw smaller amounts. One common method for withdrawing your GrabPay balance is through linking your GrabPay wallet to a bank account. This is a convenient option, as it allows you to transfer your digital funds directly into your traditional banking system. However, this method often incurs a small transaction fee. GrabPay may partner with specific banks that offer reduced or even waived fees for GrabPay transactions. It's worth exploring these partnerships to see if your bank is on the list, as it could save you some money. Another potential withdrawal method involves using ATMs. This option is useful if you need cash immediately and don't want to wait for a bank transfer. However, ATM withdrawals typically carry a higher fee compared to bank transfers. This is because GrabPay has to work with the ATM network providers, and these providers charge for their services. So, while convenient, ATM withdrawals might not be the most economical choice if you're trying to minimize fees. Beyond bank transfers and ATMs, there might be other withdrawal options available, such as using specific agent networks or cash-out points. These alternative methods may have their own fee structures, so it's crucial to investigate them if you're considering this route. Again, the best place to find this detailed information is within the GrabPay app itself. Look for the Help or FAQ section, where they usually outline all the withdrawal options and their associated costs. It's also worth noting that Grab occasionally runs promotions or offers where they waive withdrawal fees for certain periods or under specific conditions. Keep an eye out for these announcements in the app or through Grab's official social media channels. Taking advantage of these promotions can be a great way to save on withdrawal costs. So, to summarize, GrabPay withdrawals generally involve a small fee. This fee can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose, with bank transfers usually being the most cost-effective option. ATM withdrawals offer convenience but typically come with higher fees. And finally, always double-check the specific fee structure within your GrabPay app, as it can vary based on your region and current promotions. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.